In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct message multiple users in Slack, a skill that will definitely enhance your communication efficiency. In our fast-paced world, effective and swift communication is crucial to coordinating with your team and keeping your projects on track. Slack, as a powerful communication tool, allows you to do just that by facilitating direct messaging with multiple users at once. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Slack. If you're not already there, launch the Slack app on your desktop or log in through your web browser. This is the starting point for all your Slack communication needs. Navigating to the workspace where you want to send your message is the initial step and acts as the foundation for everything else we'll do. Next, you'll want to create a new message. Look for the plus icon or the Create New button. It's typically located on the left sidebar. Clicking on it opens up the option to draft a new message. This is where we start to put our plans into action. After clicking the Create New button, choose the message option. This is crucial because you want to make sure you are initiating a message rather than another type of communication, such as creating a channel or setting up a call. Selecting Message will direct you to the messaging window where the actual communication takes place. Now focus on the To field. Click on it, and this is where the magic happens. Here you can add the users you want to communicate with. Start typing the names of your team members or colleagues. Slack will suggest names as you type, which makes selecting the right contacts effortless. Ensure you include everyone you need in the message, as this sets the stage for efficient correspondence. Once you've added all the necessary users, it's time to type your message. Click into the messaging field and write out your message clearly and concisely. Remember that good communication is about clarity, so make sure that your message gets the intended point across. Keeping it brief but comprehensive is the key. Finally, when you're satisfied with your message, simply hit enter, and your message will be sent to all the users you've included. They'll receive it in their direct messages, making it easy for them to reply and engage with you. This can be particularly useful for coordinating quick decisions or updates without the need for a broader announcement to the entire team. And that's it. You've successfully sent a direct message to multiple users in Slack. By mastering this technique, you open up new possibilities for more efficient communication and collaboration within your team. Try it out and see how it can make your team interactions